my channel. My name is Gabby, aka Mocha. So in today's video, we'll be showing you guys me doing this sleek middle part ponytail with curly extended weave. I have tried this style before, but the style that I'm doing today is going to be a little bit different, a different method than what I usually do when I do this style. So here I'm going to show you exactly what hair I'm going to be using. It's the Pack Hair Q Milky Way hair, and I got that in 12 inches in 1B waterway. Yes, I'm using pack hair because I'm not using any bundles, Malaysian hair, and all that stuff because this is just going to be a one-day style, and I'm not wearing this longer than today. So I got 2 packs of those, and then also for the braid to wrap the weave around and with the bobby pins attached, I am going to use a little bit of Kalon here to extend out my hair so, you know, I can have that little flow with the ponytail. And then also I got the edge effect because I didn't want to use the perfect edges control because I noticed that when I use the styling gel and the perfect edges, it kind of creates that little white crust. So I wanted to use this, and I also got some jam to kind of hold down the little parts that I'm going to be sleeking down. And then also I got my mousse. And then also, of course, a brush. So let's get started with this hairstyle, guys. Stay tuned. To create this style, I am going to part my hair into sections to create 3 ponytails. This method is way easier to manage your hair if you do have thicker curly hair like I do, because I'm not going to straighten or blow dry my hair out. So this method is very helpful, and it also helps to slick down your ponytail instead of trying to struggle and put your hair into one big ponytail. So if you do keep up with my videos, you do know that I'm not the best at parting my hair. They're always somewhat crooked, slanted, anything but straight. But you know what? Once I get this ponytail slayed, you're not even going to see any of these parts or sections. So it doesn't even matter. So don't judge me for these crooked, slanted parts. So like I said in the beginning of the video, I am going to use the jam, but I did decide to use the styling gel because I noticed that the jam was a little bit too thick and sticky. So I did apply the styling gel just so that it can also create that sleek look, and it's a little bit more slippery than the jam. But I do like this, how the jam feels on my hair. It's really soft. So I did decide to use my dimmer brush because I noticed when I was brushing my hair towards the back, a few of my hairs was tangled and it was sticking up. So using this dimmer brush is actually helpful to kind of smooth out all the tangles and to create that sleek, smooth look that I'm going for. Like I said before, guys, I really love this jam and how it's creating this smooth look on my hair versus the styling gel. Sometimes when you do use that, it doesn't actually hold every hair into place, but this styling gel and the jam together, it's actually creating that extra hold that I'm going for and that smooth look. That's why I said I really like this jam, guys. I know a lot of natural girls may not like it because the ingredients that's in it, but like I said, I'm just using it for this hairstyle for today, but I'm actually loving it, guys. I don't know. Now that I'm done slicking down this last section of my hair, I am going to add the middle section to the 3rd ponytail just so that you won't see the sections that I have in my hair or the parts, and also to create that little smooth, neat look. as you can see here, guys, I do have bobby pins here, and this is very important for this last step of this style. So what I'm going to do here is basically wrap the curly hair around the braid, and as I'm wrapping the hair around the braid, I will take the bobby pin and basically stick that in between the track and the braid so that it can stay secured. You don't want your weave to fall out, guys, but basically that's what I'm doing, just wrapping it around until I get to the top to where the ponytail holder is. So now that I'm almost finished with this style, I will take a piece of the curly hair, and basically what I'm doing to create a little straight part, I will add a little Lotta body mousse and brush it a little bit because I didn't want to straighten this since it is pack hair. This is what I'm doing to basically improvise, and with this piece of hair I'm just going to wrap it around the ponytail holder and the hair just so that it can create a smoother look, and also so that your ponytail holder won't show. So I'm finally done with this hairstyle, guys. As you can see here, I'm just adding a little bit of the Lolly Body mousse to the hair and just fluffing it up a little bit to create that neat look. But I do thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos.